Welcome back to Retrotec Behind the Scenes. Here we'll introduce Justin and Josh as they assemble and repair blower door fans.
I'm Justin Van Meer. I build all the large fans, 5,000s and 6,000s. Just finishing up a cart to be final tested and sent back for calibration. Keeps me very busy. I'm happy to be very busy.
So this is where they all get assembled, where the fan goes
built,
in?
Assembled, tested, function testing, and background leakage testing initially as well. And then they get sent over to be high pot and a final assembly inspection as well.
So over here on the rack are these...
Those are 120 volt 5,000s, all right there. And those two carts behind you are 6,000s, three-phase.
All right.
So my name's Josh. I do the repairs at Retrotec, and today, right now, what I'm working on is we got this fan here today. They're having control issues, and so I'm gonna remove the fan top and take a look at it. Probably what's going on is it's probably got some resistors that need to be updated on it.
Cool. So what model fan is this?
This is a 2200. So this is an older fan. It's probably 10 to 15 years old.
So basically anything that comes through, any customers that send in anything for repairs, it's coming right here?
Yeah, it starts right here, and if it's something I can't handle, or I get Jimmy to take a look at it, and he looks at any of the electrical stuff for me.
Cool.
Fans here, these are the ones that just came in the door that I'm checking in.
Okay.
Go through them, make sure, figure out what's wrong with them, if there is anything wrong with them. I do an estimate to find out what it costs to clean them, make sure that they're, the motor and the fan blade are all aligned properly, and that it's giving correct airflow. And then I send it off to calibration to be calibrated.
All right, so all this stuff's really used on construction sites, so I'm sure you do have some dirty stuff that comes in pretty
a lot
often.
of these we get in, I have to blow them out with the hose because they're just, they're super dirty. They'll come in just pretty much caked in dirt. These ones aren't too bad. The previous ones I just had, those 400s that come in, it's just caked in plaster, and they're not much fun to work on.
It happens.
That's what we do here.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for our next episode of Retrotec Behind the Scenes.